here, now we realize that we need to add a t here, and a t here. We've defined the t here. So now that we do that, that's going to be interesting, right? We don't need these anymore because we've just hard-coded them over here. This should be longer. This should be longer here. So let's see if it's doing the derivatives correctly. What would be the derivative of this? It would be, with respect to t, it'd be just this. And now with respect to the cosine of t, it would be 2at cosine, well, sine of 2t. So it's doing the derivatives correctly. They're not exploding as much as I thought. And but I wonder why that's so, because, oh, maybe they combine them. Because this should be another 2 terms, and this should be another 2 terms. But then this would be 2b cosine 2t. Well, yes, 2b cosine of 2t, which may be it. Well, let's assume that this is it. So now we get solving for the constants. So here, 4b needs to be equal to 12. So 4 times b needs to be equal to 12. And negative 4 times a needs to be equal to 0 because we don't have any sign right here. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 3. We can put it here. I'll just show you how to do it just in case you get a system that is a little more involved. So we want to solve for a and solve for b. We want to close this up right here, and we'll say that the solution will be outputted to a sol and b sol. And now this stuff will go over here. Press Control Enter. Press Control Enter. 0 and 3. So now we can redefine our solution, and it's going to be xp, so it's going to be basically this thing right here. So Control copy, Control paste. Now this we want a sol, this we want b sol. We know this whole term will go to 0, and then we want to check our solution to make sure that it is right. And how do we check it? Well, we need to put it back into this. So now we undo, we copy this, we paste it. Now these are going to be different. So now I need to do the derivative of x of p 2 with respect to t, the second derivative, and the derivative of x of p, the derivative of x of p with respect to t. Oh, that's actually not the derivative. So we leave it like this, and hopefully we get the right answer. Hopefully we get the same thing on the left and on the right, which says that this is the right solution. So here it is. That's your solution. Okay, I'm glad we're not doing a part, because this was part 4 before. I'm glad we're not doing a part B5. All right, I'll see you at the next exercise.